Welcome back, this is Stock Rock. Today I'm talking about the AMD and Meta partnership, definitive multi-year, multi-generation partnership to deploy up to 6 gigawatts of AMD Instinct GPUs for Meta's next-gen AI infrastructure. The first gigawatt deployment is expected to start shipping in the second half of 2026 using a custom MI450-based Instinct GPU paired with Venice CPUs and the software ROCm built on AMD's Helios rack scale architecture. So that was quite a mouthful. If you're a beginner here, we want to break it down for you. A gigawatt is basically data center power capacity being dedicated to AI compute. It's a way to describe scale. It signals this isn't a small pilot, it's utility scale AI infrastructure. Think of it as like a power plant for a manufacturing plant. So Meta is doing this deal because they need more compute for AI models and inference. But they also want to diversify their compute stack. Mark Zuckerberg literally called this a step to diversify compute and deploy efficient inference compute. And why this deal matters for AMD. Number one, it's a top-tier customer validating AMD at scale. 2, it's not just chips, it's GPUs, CPU, systems, plus software roadmap alignment. And 3, AMD's CFO said they expect it to drive multi-year revenue growth and be accretive to non-GAAP EPS. In my personal opinion, this is a huge win for AMD, especially if they fulfill these commitments. And there's a little twist in this deal. AMD also issued Meta a performance-based warrant up to 160 million AMD shares. It vests in tranches as Meta purchases scale from 1 gigawatt up to 6 gigawatts. And it's also tied to shipment milestones and other thresholds. In translation, AMD only gives that upside if they actually deliver at scale Meta's needs. But it is a big deal, but there, of course, is always going to be risks. So number one risk, of course, is execution and timing. First major shipments are second half of 2026, so schedules do matter. Risk number 2, software and integration. ROCm plus custom systems have to perform at Meta scale. And 3, economics, dilution headlines. The warrant can spook investors even though it's milestone based. In close, beginner takeaway, this is Meta building AI infrastructure at extreme scale. And this is AMD trying to lock in a real position in the AI compute stack with incentives tied to execution. Let me know if this video helped. Thanks for watching. This is Stock Rock. Peace.